Welcome to Daily IQ. Today 25th April 2024. In this video I will teach you 25 current affairs MCQ with explanation. For daily current affairs video, please subscribe my channel and bell the notification icon. Question number 1. NASA has confirmed its Dragonfly rotorcraft mission to.
Answer is Titan. The National Aeronautics and Space Administration, NASA, has confirmed its Dragonfly rotorcraft mission to Titan, the largest moon of Saturn, with a total life cycle cost of $3.35 billion. The mission is set to be launched in July 2028. The Dragonfly rotorcraft is targeted to arrive at Titan in 2034. Titan is the second largest in the solar system after Ganymede, the moon of Jupiter. As of 8 June 2023, Saturn has 146 moons in its orbit.
Question number 2. Which country has recently started first ever Hindi language radio broadcast?
Answer is Kuwait. Kuwaiti Radio has broadcast programs in Hindi every Sunday from 8:30 to 9 p.m. starting 21st April 2024. The Hindi program is being broadcast on FM 93.3 and AM 96.3. The Kuwaiti radio move was deeply appreciated by the Indian Embassy in Kuwait. India established diplomatic relations with Kuwait in 1962 after Kuwait gained independence from Britain in 1961. Until 1961, the Indian rupee was the legal tender in Kuwait.
Question number 3. Who has become the first cricketer to take 200 wickets in the IPL?
Answer is Yuzvendra Chahal. Yuzvendra Chahal has become the first bowler in IPL history to take 200 wickets. Yuzvendra Chahal is Rajasthan Royals leg spinner and he got to the milestone when he dismissed Mohammad Nabi of Mumbai Indians, MI, in Jaipur. Chahal began his IPL career with Mumbai Indians in 2011 but made his debut for the franchise only in 2013.
Question number 4. What is India's rank in terms of getting US citizenship in 2022?
Answer is India's rank second. According to a recent report released by the US Congress, 65,960 Indians were expected to officially become US citizens in 2022. Indians are second in getting American citizenship, whereas Mexicans are at the top among those getting US citizenship in 2022. The people who got US citizenship in 2022 mostly were from Mexico, India, Philippines, Cuba, Dominican Republic, Vietnam and China respectively.
Question number 5. World's first satellite enabling smartphones to make calls was developed in.
Answer is China. Chinese engineers and scientists developed the world's first satellite allowing smartphones to make calls without mobile towers. The Tiantong satellite initiative addresses emergencies where mobile connectivity might be disrupted, enabling people to seek help by connecting directly to an overhead communication orbiter.
Question number 6. Who has won the 5th Deaf Indian Premier League title?
Answer is Bengaluru Badshahs. The 5th Deaf Indian Premier League, DIPL, organized by the Indian Deaf Cricket Association, IDCA, concluded with a grand closing ceremony held at the Maulana Azad Stadium in Jammu. Bengaluru Badshahs became the champions of the 5th Deaf Indian Premier League coveted trophy. Sudarshan from Deaf Hyderabad Eagles was honored as the player of the final match and also received the Best Bowler award.
Question number 7. Who has won the 2024 BMW Open Tennis Singles title?
Answer is Jean-Leonard Struff. The BMW Open Tennis title, also popularly known as Bavarian International Tennis Championship, is an ATP 250 event. The BMW Open was organized from 15th to 21st April in Munich, Germany. The 33-year-old German Jean-Leonard Struff won his maiden ATP title by defeating Taylor Fritz of the USA in the final of the BMW Open tennis title. Indian tennis player Yuki Bhambari and his French partner Albano Olivetti won the 2024 BMW Open tennis tournament title.
Question number 8. Who has been appointed as the Chief Vigilance Officer, CVO, of Cotton Corporation of India Limited, CCI?
Answer is Nidhi S. Jain. Central government approved the appointment of Nidhi S. Jain, IA and as the Chief Vigilance Officer, CVO, of Cotton Corporation of India Limited, CCI, with effect from 22 April 2024. Nidhi Jain is a 2009 batch Indian Audit and Accounts Service, IA and officer. Presently, Nidhi Jain is posted as Director of Audit, Department of Environment and Scientific, Branch Office, Mumbai.
Question number 9. Who was the first Indian squash player to be ranked Junior World Number 1?
Answer is Saurav Ghosal. India's most successful male squash player, Saurav Ghosal, announced his retirement from professional squash. He started his professional career in squash in 2003. He has won 10 Professional Squash Association (PSA) titles and has reached the finals of the 18 PSA tournaments. He was the first Indian player to be ranked Junior World Number 1 in 2004.
Question number 10. Who has been appointed the first women Vice-Chancellor of the Aligarh Muslim University?
Answer is Nema Khatun. The Union Ministry of Education has appointed Professor Nema Khatun as the Vice-Chancellor of Aligarh Muslim University, AMU, for a period of 5 years. She is the first woman to be appointed the Vice-Chancellor of the Aligarh Muslim University. She joined Aligarh Muslim University as a lecturer in 1998. Currently, Professor Khatun is the principal of the Women's College of the Aligarh Muslim University.
Question number 11. Who was honored as the 2024 Laureus World Sportsman of the Year award?
Answer is Novak Djokovic. Novak Djokovic, the world's top-ranked tennis player, was named the Laureus World Sportsman of the Year for the 5th time, matching Roger Federer's record for the most decorated male athlete in this category. Djokovic had previously won this award in 2012, 2015, 2016, and 2019. Itna Bonmati, a Barcelona and Spain football star, made history as the first footballer to win the Laureus World Sportswoman of the Year award. Question number 12. As per UNFPA report in April 2024, what is the current population of India? Answer is 144 crores. In a recent report by the United Nations Population Fund, UNFPA, India is the most populous country globally with an estimated population of 144.17 crore. Whereas China is in second place with a population of 142.5 crores. In this report, India's population has been estimated to double in 77 years. During the last census conducted in 2011, India's population was recorded at 121 crores. Question number 13. Who has won the Global Energy Transition Impact Award? Answer is Sultan Al Jaber. On 22 April 2024, Dr. Sultan Ahmad Al Jaber, President of 28th Conference of the Parties, COP28, to the UN Framework Convention on Climate Change, UNFCCC, won the Global Energy Transition Impact Award for his leadership in advancing energy transition. The awards was presented as a part of the inaugural World Energy Leadership Awards 2024, presented by the World Energy Council, WEC. Question number 14. Who was appointed as the Railway Advisor of India's High Commission in Bangladesh? Answer is Narpat Singh. The Appointments Committee of the Cabinet, ACC, has approved the appointment of Narpat Singh as the Railway Advisor in the High Commission of India in Dhaka, Bangladesh. Narpat Singh is a 2009 batch Indian Railway Traffic Service, IRTS, officer. He previously served as Director, Traffic Transpiration, on the Railway Board. Question number 15. Former tennis world number 1 Garbiñe Muguruza announced his retirement. She is from. Answer is Spain. Spanish women's tennis player Garbiñe Muguruza Blanco, a two-time Grand Slam champion in singles and former world number 1, in 2017, has announced her retirement from professional tennis at the age of 30. She became the first Spanish woman to win a Grand Slam singles title since Arantxa Sánchez Vicario, Spain, won the 1989 French Open in Paris. She defeated Serena Williams, USA, at the 2016 French Open held in Paris. Question number 16. National Award winner J.F.C. Durai passed away. He was famous in which field? Answer is Director. J.F.C. Durai, National Award-winning veteran Tamil director, passed away at the age of 84 at his residence Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Durai has directed around 46 films in Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, Malayalam and Hindi language. His film, Pasi, won 2 National Film Awards in 1979 in the category of Best Feature Film and Best Actor, Female. Question number 17. Rajasthan Royals, RR, has inaugurated their first ever cricket academy in. Answer is Jaipur. Royal Sports Group owned IPL franchise Rajasthan Royals, RR, has inaugurated their first ever cricket academy in the Jaipur, Rajasthan. The inaugural champions had announced its plans to come up with an academy in Jaipur in October 2023. The newly set up academy boasts of impressive infrastructure with the presence of 2 match-playing grounds and 15 training strips with natural turf, astroturf, matting, and Kota stone wickets. Question number 18. Who was honored with the prestigious KISS Humanitarian Award 2021? Answer is Ratan Tata. Industrialist Ratan Tata, Chairman Emeritus of the Tata Group, was honored with the prestigious KISS, Kalinga Institute of Social Sciences, Humanitarian Award 2021. The award ceremony was held at his residence in Mumbai, marking a significant recognition of his commitment to social development and exemplary corporate leadership. The award was presented by the founder of KIT and KISS Achyuta Samantha. Question number 19. Who has introduced Vasa 1 AI model to turn images into videos? Answer is Microsoft. Microsoft has introduced a new Vasa 1 AI model, a framework designed to generate lifelike talking faces for virtual characters, boosting appealing visual effective skills, VAS. With just a single static image and a speech audio clip, the company says its Vasa 1 can create lifelike short videos. The model also gives several options to make changes to the video. Here is everything you need to know. Question number 20. Which Indian won 2 gold medals in the ACC Paracano Asian Championship 2024? Answer is Prachi Yadav. Madhya Pradesh's top para canoe Prachi Yadav has won 2 gold medals at the ACC Paracano Asian Championship 2024 held in Tokyo, Japan. Prachi, a resident of Gwalior, won medals in the women's KL2 and women's VL2 categories. Prachi has also been awarded the Arjuna Award in the year 2023. Question number 21. India's Geeta Sabharwal was appointed as UN Resident Coordinator in. Answer is Indonesia. The United Nations Secretary-General, Antonio Guterres, has appointed Geeta Sabharwal of India as the new UN Resident Coordinator in Indonesia. She has bagged this honor, which is the highest-ranking representative of the UN development system at the country level, after close to 30 years of experience. The UN Resident Coordinator is the highest-ranking representative of the UN development system at the country level. Question number 22. World Malaria Day is observed each year on. Answer is 25th April. The World Malaria Day, WMD, is observed globally on 25th April each year to recognize the efforts of the people worldwide to control malaria. The day was established in May 2007 at the 60th session of the World Health Assembly, who's the decision-making body. The theme of World Malaria Day 2024 is Accelerating the Fight Against Malaria for a More Equitable World. Question number 23. International Delegates Day, observed every year on. Answer is 25th April. International Delegates Day observed globally on 25th April every year. This day is observed to raise awareness of the role of the representatives and delegates of the member states to the United Nations. International Delegates Day marks the anniversary of the first day of the San Francisco Conference, which is also known as the United Nations Conference on International Organization. Question number 24. World Penguin Day is observed every year on. Answer is 25th April. International Delegates Day observed globally on 25th April every year. This day is observed to raise awareness of the role of the representatives and delegates of the member states to the United Nations. International Delegates Day marks the anniversary of the first day of the San Francisco Conference, which is also known as the United Nations Conference on International Organization. Question number 25. When is World Immunization Week celebrated every year? Answer is last week of April. Every year the last week of April, 24 to 30th April, is celebrated as World Immunization Week. The World Health Assembly established World Immunization Week in 2012. At that time it was celebrated in more than 180 countries. This year the theme of World Immunization Week 2024 has been kept as Humanly Possible, Immunization for All. Similarly, National Child Immunization Week is celebrated every year in India from 20 to 29 April.
Thanks for watching full video. You can join in our membership plan for daily, weekly and monthly current affairs PDFs. Please contact me on WhatsApp 9700200378.